If you're seeing the Monday.com error saying the file is too large, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few quick fixes step by step so you can upload your file successfully. This is a common issue, and most of the time it can be solved in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Monday.com tips and simple troubleshooting guides. Let's get into it. First, try refreshing the page. Sometimes the error is just a temporary loading issue, and a quick refresh can reset the upload screen and let you try again. After the page reloads, attempt the upload one more time and see if the problem is gone. If the file still won't upload, the next thing to do is check your internet speed. A slow or unstable connection can sometimes cause file uploads to fail or time out, especially with larger files. Open your browser and search for a speed test. Then run a quick internet speed test and see whether your connection is stable enough for the upload. If your upload speed is very low, try switching networks, restarting your router, or waiting until the connection improves before uploading again. Now, if the file is genuinely too large, you'll need to reduce the file size before uploading it to Monday.com. You can do this by compressing the file if it's a document, image, or video, or by splitting it into smaller parts if that makes more sense for your workflow. For example, if you have a large PDF, try compressing it first. If you have a very large archive or a set of files, divide them into smaller files and upload them separately. This is often the fastest way to get around the limit. The next step is to check the file size limits in Monday.com itself. Go to Monday.com, open the board you're working in, and look at the Files column settings. Different plans may have different maximum file size limits, so it's important to verify what your account allows. If your file is larger than the allowed maximum, even by a little, Monday.com will reject it. Knowing the limit helps you decide whether you need to compress the file further, split it, or upgrade your plan if necessary. After checking those settings, try the upload again with the adjusted file. In many cases, one of these fixes will solve the issue immediately. Refreshing the page, confirming your internet speed, reducing the file size, and checking your Monday.com plan limits are the main things you need to do to fix the file too large error. If you're still having trouble, double-check the file format and make sure the file isn't corrupted. Sometimes a file can appear normal but still fail to upload because of its format or size structure. Resaving the file or exporting it again in a smaller format can help. And that's it. Those are the simple steps to fix the Monday.com error file too large. Start with a refresh, test your connection, compress or split the file, and verify the upload limits for your plan. If this helped, please give the video a like, subscribe for more Monday.com tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Monday.com issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.